Hello guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Max the Service. A short introduction again where I am going to provide you all stuff related to computer science and information technology. Right now, actually, we are going to complete Cloud Practitioner, uh, AWS Cloud Practitioner series, and today is its 11th day. Yesterday, we discussed AWS RDS, its concepts, and all its feature. And I hope you went through all video and learned a lot. And please provide me your feedback or any comment if you feel that we have missed something or need to improve. And uh, today I also uploaded a very short video of similar session which I'm going to present you practically. Actually, right now we are going to do every step where we will be discussing whatever we are going to select, whatever we are going to choose to create RDS. And in previous short video, we have covered three things: creation of RDS, okay, its backup, and also creation of RDS in different availability zone apart from replica. So our requirements is to create a replica from primary database, and because that replica might be we need to just for read only purposes. So this is we have already covered, and this session is available for you to go through, and I believe it's a very detailed session providing every concepts what AWS RDS providing us, right? And today we will be discussing RDS use case with some example where we will be creating replica of your primary database. So let's start. I will be writing here RDS, then select RDS, create instance. Okay, right now I can create easy create and with standard. So with standard I will be having many different option like automatic backup, maintenance, security, group security, and zone availability to be choose by AWS. So in easy create definitely few features I have to go through. So I'm going to select engine of RDS Maria, and here is version where I'm going to select another version, and because I'm not going to work on production environment, so right now I can choose dev and test. Also I can go with free tier. Definitely whenever I will create this database it will cost me. So because I'm just going to explain every step and purpose and reason behind that selection and of every options. So this video actually is covering all those selection and features provided by RDS. We have covered in previous session a lot, but definitely practically example and discussion help us more. So that's why we are going to create this session. It's a instance identifier. We don't need to, we can change it as well. It's a username. We can also create because I'm going to self manage. Okay, if you want to manage by AWS secret manager, then definitely you don't need to provide password and also other things. But right now I'm going to manage it by myself, and I don't want to generate automatic password. And here is I am going to create password. It is saying that it's a week, so okay, sorry, let me change it. Okay. Again, here I will be selecting bus table classes. The bus table classes are the classes. These actually require less utilization of processing. And when you have any deployment, any system where occasionally you get any performance issue or heavy load, heavy traffic, then you go for this selection. Otherwise you don't need to do this, because these type of selection accumulate a credits and utilize those credit whenever required. Otherwise it's a good option to save uh, amount of lot of amount. So I'm going to select general purpose storage. Here I will be decreasing storage. Might be I can select 10. Advanced setting. Okay. Not allowing me at least 20. So I don't want to change anything here. Auto scaling. Yes. Uh, what the purpose of this option is, whenever our database will reach 1000 GB, system which automatically create new instance for us for application to be available. So we don't need to manage it manually, or we don't need to take care of it. Okay. And yes, here is another option, uh, requirement to have another backup standby instance in availability zone. So instead of specifying myself that I want this standby instance in zone A, B, or C, let system to decide. Let's suppose your primary database get down or get failure, and it will automatically create uh, uh, as a standby instance and will make available instantly, right? And you don't need to worry about it. Your application will never get down. So it's another good feature provided by cloud platform AWS. So yes, I don't want to connect with EC2 right now, because this is not part of this use case. So I'm going to select don't connect. As you know, we already have default VPC allocated to our account, so I'm going to select that. And there would be subnet, and definitely I'm going to select default. And I don't want to set public access, because I in this session we are not going to create a database where we will be connecting this database with any other application outside of VPC, or from any other application deployed or working running another machine on the internet. So that's why we don't need to select this. Otherwise selection of this option, AWS provide a public IP where we will be utilizing and providing to those who will be utilizing this database. So security group, you have already did some practices while creation of VPC and EC2, we have already covered. And you can also create new security group. Otherwise you can also select any already created. As you have seen in last sessions, we have created like kind of these security groups. And right now I'm going to select default again. I don't need to set any proxy. And yes, port is, you can also change this port which is default 3306. Password authentication, yes, because I have created password, I don't need any more enhanced monitoring. And you can see, you can also provide your initial database name. Okay, whatever you, let's suppose I provide max the service, right? Backup, if you need backup, you can also change frequency of your backup. And you can also set it as a default. And Yes, encryption is, it is also main feature of this cloud computation. And enable auto operation, no, I don't need this. Even though you can select, there is no any impact on charges. So these are the selections and purpose of every options I have explained you. And after creating this database, it will hit me uh, 29 USD charges. Okay. So once database get created, then from options you can go through and select create replica. Definitely you will be wondering why I'm not showing you, because I have provided you short video. In that video you can go through and see the last screenshot. There would be an option create replica database, and the system will automatically create replica database with same configuration, and that replica database you can utilize for further usage. Okay, so right now let's wind up, and again I would be great uh, thankful for you to be part of my Axis service, and I'm really appreciate your valuable feedback in comments, and I'm trying to improve my channel with your suggestions. So be kind and subscribe if you have not. Otherwise, keep like, commenting, and please don't forget to share in your circle. And also let me know that any other topic, any other course, whatever you like to be next of this cloud practitioner. So I will be starting that one after this. Thank you.